Here's my question. Can you be patient? And I ask that because that is what I'm going through right now. You know how it is when you want something when you want it, right? And if it has only to do with you, then you can have more control over that. But for example, I want to have a relationship, but I don't have 100% control over that. So I have to start letting myself be patient that something will happen. All I have to do is keep taking small steps in the right direction of feeling good about myself, enjoying myself, getting out into the world, meeting people, all that kind of stuff. And that when it's the right time and I am feeling good about myself and I meet that right person, it's all going to work out. But it's really hard to be patient, isn't it? So, what do you do when you can't be patient, when you don't want to be patient? Well, I think what I have to do is focus back on myself and ask myself, what can I work on about me that will help me be even more ready to be in a healthy relationship? Because you don't want to repeat the same mistakes that you've repeated in the past, which are the reasons why you're single in the first place, if you're like me. I want to get to be in a place in a relationship that I feel really confident in my ability to show up and also that I make good choices for me. So I have to keep turning things around on myself to myself again and saying, okay, well, what can you work on? And it really does feel good when you start working on those things and you just kind of let go of what you want that outcome to be. So that's kind of what I've been working on, shifting my perspective, letting myself trust that the right thing's going to happen and be patient. Let me know what you think about this and if it's something that you feel like you're working on also.